What are you laughing at?
This dance challenge. Me and you need to do this.
I know you got cabin fever. I know how to test my wife for cabin fever. What kind of tractor is this?
A John Deere unstalled.
Yep, okay. Here's another easy one. What kind of tractor is this?
Oh, this is a John Deere stalled.
Okay, this is a hard one. What tractor is this?
Oh, this is a John Deere 730.
It is. Okay, here's the last one. This is going to be another hard one.
Oh, this one's my favorite. This is a John Deere new generation.
That's right. All right, last one. What kind of tractor is this?
I don't know. An international?